Millennials are earning more money than any other previous generations of their age, yet they are significantly less wealthy. While this is the case, it remains crucial for millennials to put in the effort to avoid some of the worst money mistakes that many young people are making today. Some may find that overemphasizing on financial prosperity can be a superficial way to look at life. But facing financial difficulties isn't something you want to be in either. This video will show you the 9 worst financial mistakes millennials make and how to avoid them. Number 9. Delaying to start saving money. Yeah, you rather see yourself having a nice fancy car or the latest Apple gadgets. Yet, if you're going to look at the numbers, it's crystal clear that the most powerful component of saving money is to get started right away. Take advantage of your youth and start putting your dollars to work by saving and investing them, and let the power of compounding do its magic. You'll be surprised at how far your money can go as you save it now and don't even bother to touch it. Number 8. Getting into too much debt. Debt can hang on your neck like an albatross. To finance a house or car, it is wise for most people to take a loan. On the other hand, taking on debt to buy unnecessary expensive stuff to keep up with the Joneses can be a dumb thing to do. Debt does have a way of creeping up on you and keeping you up at night. You will be doing your future self a huge favor by staying far away from massive debts. Number 7. Overlooking the importance of a budget. Creating and sticking to a budget is a task that nobody really enjoys. But what is the outcome of having no budget? You let your impulse spending take over you. Your budget serves as your compass in a world where consumerism pushes you to buy things with money that you don't have. If you keep walking around without a budget, you will never know where your money actually goes at the end of every month. Create a personal budget that will fit your financial goals, or use a budgeting tool or planner that you can easily access on your notebook or online. Number 6. Not taking advantage of your 401k's maximum employer match. Your company can essentially give you money for free by matching your contribution in your 401k plan. It would be a total waste not to make the most of this great offer. You will even get lesser taxable income as the amount you put in is tax-free. If you are an employee, find out if your company offers a 401k plan and contribute to it as soon as you can to get yourself into the habit of saving and investing at the same time. Number 5. Not having an emergency fund. Even the best-laid financial plan can be ruined by a single unexpected financial setback. For a common millennial, this may be as a result of a medical emergency or a costly car repair. Not having an emergency fund may force you to rely on high-interest loans that will take you a long time to pay off. Try to save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account and don't ever touch it unless it is a real emergency. Number 4. Not building and maintaining good credit. It can be highly costly to have bad credit. Credit cards companies will charge you one of the highest interest rates in the market on what you owe them. This is where the power of compounding will work against you. You may as well end up paying more on the interest than the money you actually owe. Establish a good credit by paying your bills on time and not overspending on items that you don't actually need. Eliminate extravagant purchases. Self-discipline is key in maintaining a good credit score. Remember, while there are advantages in avoiding credit cards completely, it's also important to develop good credit for your financial future. Because without it, how will you be able to purchase a house, car, or other properties for a good deal? Number 3. Not getting enough insurance coverage. Based on research, the millennial generation is more likely to go without life or medical insurance because of the ever-rising cost of living. This can prove to be a major mistake. If you want to protect not just yourself, but your loved ones as well, you have to get your insurance in place. Being married and having children would require you to get a life insurance that will protect their future if something unfortunate happened to you. You don't need to lose your life savings on hefty commission fees. Just buy a term life insurance that will only cost you a small fraction of the price of a whole life insurance. Don't skip on health insurance too, as medical expenses tend to skyrocket in an instant, even for a minor health issue. Make sure you and your family are adequately covered. Number 2. Taking out a student loan without first calculating the installments. Art history is a fascinating subject. However, if you'll be repaying $850 a month on your college loans once you graduate, it may not work out to be the best choice for you. Make sure to consider that your future income will be sufficient to repay your student loan debt. You might discover that you need to attend a less costly university or pursue a more lucrative career. Before getting into number 1, don't forget to hit the like button if you are getting any value from this video. With that said, here is number 1. Thinking that retirement is still a long way off. Your school days may have felt like unending, but the next several decades will take you by surprise on how fast they go by. Don't be short-sighted. Start putting money aside and take your financial planning seriously today. Have a long-term outlook and think about the compounding effect of your present financial habits. For more life-changing videos like this one, make sure to watch the next one, as you will definitely find a ton of value from it. Thanks, I will see you again.